Supply side and prestaging hubs. While supply side hubs are useful for alleviating traffic congestions from shipments flowing to a single industrial user, such as large manufacturers. They are used, for example, for auto factories receiving thousands of suppliers arriving by train, truck, and air that otherwise can create a nightmare of loading, dock congestion, storage space, space storage, and paperwork uh, log lamps. To clear this congestion, some firms resort to the prestaging hubs. Set and maintain such a facility managed by Riders Systems, and they have located 2 miles from its factory a storage where all the incoming inventories are stored, and they are given the warehousing, and they can supply it to 39 states with 339 suppliers, and they in fact cover it to the suppliers of the whole nation. Well, then next we can talk about the distribution of side hubs. The Whereas supply of the side hubs are located near industrial customers, distribution side hubs may be located much farther away, especially if customers are geographically dispersed. We can consider, for example, the distribution system of National Semiconductor, one of the world's largest computer chip makers, finished silicon microchips, which are produced in plants around the world and shipped to the customers such as IBM, Toshiba, Siemens, Ford, and Compaq, which also runs the factories around the globe. Chips originally sat waiting at one location after another on factory floors, at customs, in distributors' facilities, and in customers' warehouses. Typically, they travel 20,000 different routes on as many as 12 airlines and spend time in 10 warehouses before reaching customers. National has streamlined the system by shutting down 6 warehouses and now air freights chips worldwide from a single center in Singapore. Every activity, storage, sorting, and shipping is run by Federal Express. As a result, distribution costs have fallen down, delivery time have been reduced by half, and sales have increased. This is how they have made the great difference. Next, we can talk about the netting bigger market share. But as we have done a lot in the same topic, I believe that this is time we should go to the next topic rather than finding a case study for the discussion that we have already made. And now we get to another topic, which is called promoting products. Uh, well, for promoting products, as when we have completed our study of this topic, promoting products, we believe that my audience, my viewers, the learners will be able to know a lot by the end of the tutorial. And by the end of the tutorial, they would be able to identify the important objectives of promotion and discuss the considerations entailed in selecting a promotional mix. And I believe that my audience will be able to discuss the most important advertising strategies and describe the key advertising media after listening to whole the discussion. And if the audience pays attention to this topic of the consideration, they will be able to outline the task involved in personal selling and list the steps in personal selling process. Once the audience has completely understood the topic, they will be able to describe the various types of sales promotions and distinguish between publicity and public relations. And by the end of the discussion, my audience will be able to show how small businesses use promotional activities. Last but not the least, my audience will be able to describe the development of international promotional strategies. Well, we can have a case study of nostalgia merchants, but as we want to go into the straight discussion, we'd like to talk about the importance of promotion. When it comes to a business needs promotion, the products need promotion, the services need promotion. While Peter Capolino wasn't aware of his product market potential until uh, Ryan Harley introduced his self developed promotional strategy for selling throwback jerseys, a combination of personal selling, collaboration with celebrities in entertainment events, and television exposures provided the promotional reach for the catapulting Mitchell and Ness products into the national prominence. As we will see, the challenge of marketing is to meet strategic goals by making the right promotional choices in all media and in any technique designed to sell a product. It is part of the communication mix. The total message in any company sends to consumer about its product. The promotional technique, especially advertising, must communicate the uses, the features, the benefits of the products. Sale promotions also include various programs that add value beyond the benefits inherent in the products. It is nice to get a quality product at a good price, but even better when we get a rebate or a bonus pack with the same. Well, we'll discuss many other things over here. We'll talk about the information and the exchange value as well. So we'll talk a lot about it. Right now, we're going to conclude the activity today. We'll continue with the same chapter, with the same topic, and I'll let you know more about it. That's all for the day. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.